used to run where the wild things roam. Teeth to the wind, yeah, the night was home. Brothers at my side in the pale moon glow. We were kings of the dark. Yeah, we owned that road. Cold stars burning in a blackened sky. We didn't fear, we just lived or died. Every scar was a tale we told, every howl cut deep in the soul. Now the silence hangs where the pack once stood, and I hear their ghosts out in the woods. That was yesterday, hear it fading in the grave. Now I ride that steel horse through the night, one lone shadow in the fading light. Still hear the howls way out there calling through the midnight air. I don't turn, I just ride on through, but every mile I'm chasing you. Leather hands on a steel-bound ram. Thunder rolls where I used to run free again. Traded fur for a burning life of endless road and borrowed time. I ain't lost, just cut loose from a life I didn't choose. But the wild still lives in me, in every breath and every dream. It don't die, it just gets low, like embers underneath the snow. That was yesterday, still echoes in the grave. Now I ride that steel horse through the night, one lone shadow in the fading light. Still hear the howls way out there calling through the midnight air. I don't turn, I just ride on through, but every mile I'm chasing you. When the sun goes down, I see their eyes in the dark where the memory lies. Running wild, running free, the man I was still chasing me. When the morning breaks, I bow my head, thank the sky I ain't left for dead. But I feel him there beyond the blue, every road leads back to you. That was yesterday, but it never fades away. Now I ride that steel horse through the night, still that wolf in a different light. Hear the howls, but I don't stray, I just carry him on my way. Every sunset I look behind, every sunrise I thank the divine.